Hey guys, I'm Rusty McDaniels with Mossy Oak, and today we're talking trail camera tips. Hey, another tip I want to share with you about trail camera placement is to always place the camera facing north if you can. And the reason you want to do that is because the sun's going to rise in the east-southeast. It's going to have a little bit of a tint toward the south, and it's also going to set in the west-southwest a little bit toward the south. A lot of people don't realize that. So if you're facing your camera dead south, you're still going to get a little bit of sun issues, you know, lens flares and things like that, blown out pictures and stuff, which is going to just kind of aggravate you when you're looking to try to figure out what you've got as far as your deer on your property. So if you can set it up where you're facing north, just like this camera I just set up. We're out here in the morning and the sun's rising right over here in the east-southeast, and I'm looking north, and notice how this camera is totally shaded and the sun's hitting right here. All right, so it's gonna be the same thing in the evening. The sun's gonna go down right over here, right there, and you're not gonna have sun issues and lens flare and all that stuff messing your pictures up. So when at all possible, face your camera north. You may not always get that opportunity depending on your type of situation in the landscape of your property and whatnot. But if you can, face your cameras north, you'll have more consistent, clean pictures.